Hello guys, today I want to show you how to enter notification settings on the Motorola One Zoom. So as always we have to go first to the settings. Now click on the apps and notifications. Click here on the notifications, and as you can see we have a couple of settings here. So for the first we can just set up on lock screen. Here we can also manage the dots. So if you click on this switcher now it's turned on, if you click again it's turned off. Of course we can also change the sound of our notification. So currently it's moto, but you can check another and just pick your favorite. And of course you can also manage the notification for every application. So for example, if you get a lot of emails and you just don't want to have your screen pop off with all of the notifications from the Gmail, just click on this switcher to turn it off. And since now you will not get any notified by the Gmail. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.